How long flowers last did you bring them home?
Maybe a week.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Average American says 5 days. How long they last in my house, do you think?
2 weeks? 3 weeks? 5 weeks. Ooh, 6 weeks.
People go 2 months ago. I can often get my flowers the last 6 weeks in my house. How do I do it? Number one, here is a flower. It is a balloon. Instead of filled with air, it's filled with water. This sucks up water, and it comes out the surface. Sucks up water, and it comes out the surface. When you cut this and put it in water, that is a swamp forming. Bacteria gets into the stem, it shuts down the suction, and your flowers die. That is the life cycle of a flower. So if you keep this open and pumping water, it's not going to die. Your balloon's going to stay full and vibrant. So number one, buy good flowers. I'm always doing this at the grocery store. The firmer they are, that's water you're feeling, like a hard balloon. The softer or mushy, they're half out of water. Number one, buy good flowers. Number two, put bleach in your vase, 2 or 3 drops in a size this big. It will stop the bacteria from clogging the stem. You know the flower foods they give you? They're basically detergent to stop that bacteria. But when you put powder in here, it takes a day for them to dissolve. So in the first day, you're just blocking the stem with solid particles of powder. Not good for your flowers, so don't use those. Just buy bleach. Buy good flowers, put bleach in water. Number 3, spray everything with this. Have you ever heard of it? Crown and Glory? It's basically a melted candle in a bottle. I've used it every day of my life for 30 years. This is the main reason my flowers last. So here's a flower. I'm going to laminate it in plastic. Now it's not going to lose any of the moisture. Number 4, cut an inch off. Number 5, when your flowers are fading, or when you bring them home from wherever, Costco's, submerge them under water totally for 2 to 10 hours. A flower that's done this, after like 4 hours, boop, it's like you just bought them. You'll blow the balloon back up. Next week, put it underwater. Boop. This is what I do week like 3, 4, and 5. Start dunking them under water, go to work, come back. They're perfect. You blow the balloon back up. It's science. So everybody who's ever been to my classes will say the same thing. I've never had flowers lasting for 3, 4 weeks. They will now. You have to buy this. You can buy it on Amazon. They started selling it like 2 years ago for the first time in 30 years. And I dilute this. You don't need it full strength. These are half and half. I have some for you to use tonight. This is half Crown and Glory, half water. But this is the real reason mine lasts so long. This spray, because it's science. It seals the surface.